Ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kala pelong ya ka Youth Exchange Program 2023 ha Convocation Hall Nehu Shillong na du ka Khanreu ha du ka Arpau Tarik Risau. Ha kani ka program lawan ya shimbenta kumbah Ndrius pa ngot ki samla na khar artli ki distrik ka jela. Ki jat Jacob ki kenthop na du Jacob tem gitar jingput ktin Jacob ruai ka shat na lor ki we ki Jacob. Ya kani ka program lawan pli ya ka da ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District ka Kong RM Kurba.
It touches my heart to see because as you know our country is a very young country. As per the 2022 revision of World Population Prospects, we have an age group of 65% of people below the age of 35 years old and 50% below the age of 29. So you can imagine we have a very young and forceful youth here, and I thank God that we have this department looking after, the health perspective of the children, that is the sports as well as the youth affairs, which takes care of their emotional part of it, engaging them in various talents, because, in life it's not only about studies. We all need to study and be educated is very important. But at the same time, we need to also have an all-round development because in this world, we don't survive just by being, a 90% or 100%. We also need to have life skills. We also need to know how to survive. To be in this environment, you're the chosen one, remember. 700 of you, 600 of you, Paya was just mentioning, you've been handpicked from your district. And henceforth, from now, you'll be going forward. And there's no turning back for you from today. So, on this, I've seen that, some of you have a very good chance of reaching up to the international arenas, which I've heard just now must be Malaysia. So, it's a good place to go. You learn new things. And, life out there is different. And I would like to request a youth to you have an open mind, be open-minded. And another thing is that we always encourage a youth to come out of your comfort zone, because that is where is the first step. The very fact that you have come out of your own district to be part of this program is a big step in itself. So from here, you will be experiencing new things. Be open-minded, as I said earlier, and ensure that you do not miss out on anything. Mind you, I often said in many occasions, I don't know whether I've said in any sport arena like this, but we often fear a lot, we fear of new adventure, we fear of exposing our emotions and feelings. But I say, we've often heard that, it's better to be a fool once than to be a fool forever, When you don't ask, when you don't participate, when you don't open up, we cannot help you. Okay, so I request through this exchange program, which provides you a place for you to have an opportunity to experience the culture of your other colleagues, from different part of the state. And from now, whoever is selected will go to the national level and thereafter to the next level. You'll be experiencing the changes. Please learn and keep that in mind. Come back and share with your friends, your loved ones in your own home place so that they will also be motivated. There's more to life than drugs. There's more to life than being idle. Make yourself useful. Make yourself and proud. We should always, things start from ourselves. everything starts from me, I, myself. Often people say we should not mention those words, but I believe that if we have to believe in ourselves first before we allow others to say that, you're this or that. Because unless you're very confident, and that confidence is when you look in the mirror in the morning and you look at yourself and thank God that you're alive. Thank God that you have your parents or your friends, your garden, somebody out there who's pushing you, who's holding your hand, and taking you along the right path.
Habaya keren syakilat patai khubor ki samla ki balawan ya shimta syakani ka program kilaya thu bakilayo shibun ki jingmentoy lembakani ka program namar bakiyo banya itu itau iwe ya iwe.
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank the district sports officer who has given me this opportunity to be here. I got this opportunity because in our district, they conduct a district level youth exchange program, and in folk song we won first. So I got this opportunity because in a district level youth exchange program, they held a folk song and we secured the first position there. So that's why I got this opportunity, and for which I'm very grateful. Of course, I feel like it's amazing. I get to know different cultures and make new friends and know their tradition and all, and got to view their talents and learn something new.
Nakaliang jonga nga sumaba nga ayo sibuan ki jumuta ang tamah bangadan hangi ngayo i sibuan ki cultural jom ki wairo ki para khasi ki badan ko ni Meghalaya tang ki para khasi le nyala banyo iro ki nonggaru ro ki bangam ju ikot satu menta ngayo i ba sibuan ki bangalayo ban learn ni namo ka exchange toy ki long bangin ni yo banyak kenduk maklop thamai ni la banyak keren kendan ke communication ro ni la ro ban long socialize ro ban kiwei ro ni la banyak ki duster ki ba kiwei ki le isap ki phong khantam ba ki pen ki ai min sim khantam yanga maru kendan kasap ngadi ban la ban pau shukate.
Okay, thank you so much. Well, kagiteng jonga kalong Priyanka Mauri. Ngadi na Ripoy district, ngala represent yaka district, haka state level, international level, as well as national level. Kani ka program kalong kawai na ka program ka la ay pun haka jiminto yang kalayara ba pun kiliang. Kala ay ru kata ka confidence level yang kalayara kumenchuang ngamlong ikna iba shlur ban keren mo. Lembaga di program kalau ia rap pun yang bangat pensyur yang bangat keren ngan wan cekmat ngan take part apa pun ki activities ni house nem araja khatnyo ngan Sdang the journey jonga batika youth exchange program hatura te lembaga ni program ngalapoi haka state level, national level, but international level como ngala mention ko. After which Meghalaya ya kini ke journey jonga kalai rap shibun hakibun kiliang yanga kau ya badmenta at present nga trei badka cooperative register of cooperative societies, which is under the register of cooperative society, the MRTCF office. Ngaso kemensya banwan biang sya kini ka program mensya invite bang chimpat biang kapkama kini ka opening ceremony. Kaya kabangan pa banong kalong ba na gerparu na ka government ba kinang susuban kalong bet ya kani ka program annually. My message is for the youths to be brave enough, take part in all the activities and grabs all the opportunity that you get. That's all.
Ka physical training instructor jongka sports and youth affairs ka kong Rida Lindem kalaya thu baki samla ki bajob na kini ki jiya kom kin sya ajiat ban lej ishimenta sya ka North East regional.
Ka government ka pelongi ini ki program nomor ba manusnem ka shijudan ka regional youth exchange program ka ba ki jiya lam ki kena balik participate ka regional level ka national youth exchange program kasi julong hau na January or kumjo kidan ki international youth program bagi si juji ni kikina bagi ni shamata ta gani ba pelong kawaning kong kalong ba ka government ka ai ka platform ni kikina ki jangi ba kini yo kita garansan ban ni ki sap ki phong ki jangi ka sekawai ru kalong ba kini giwan lagi jong ki jaka lagi jong ki than lagi jong culture kini ki jaka ka ba gila ban ya pentelilang iki kawai kin nang ni kawai pat ka jingsha kawai ka jak pat kini thu tip kawai pat ka jingsha ka jingwai pat ka pelong ngi bangin pelong gi kena bikin lo kawai ya kini ka kerja platform kerensan ki kena jadi ki yo